Enjoy your final moments.
Alright, so obviously we're dead.
My madness will consume you all.